Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, the Product Secrets Review. So guys, I hope you have also seen that there are so many infections that are caused on our skin, and the main infections you will see are the fungal infections. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about one skin cream, that is this Candid B cream, which is a combination of two medicines, that is clotrimazole and beclomethasone, which is usually used for treating fungal infections. This medicine is used for different types of skin diseases, which is particularly for fungal type of skin infections. It can be used. This cream minimizes any symptoms like redness of skin, swelling, itchiness of skin, and all types of skin conditions. This tube can be used. This skin cream fights back against those diseases that are caused by the microorganisms. Candid B cream is a combination of two medicines, clotrimazole or beclomethasone. So clotrimazole has the properties called antifungal properties that stops the growth of fungi and then prevents infections into the skin. And beclomethasone has a topical steroid which is used to treat variety of skin conditions, for example like eczema, dermatitis, allergies, rashes, etc. But before using this cream, you should always take the advice of your doctor and apply this cream only onto the topical areas of your skin. Apply a thin layer of cream on the affected areas of skin with your clean and dry hands. Then, after applying this cream with hands, please do wash your hands properly. In case accidentally if it enters your eyes, nose or mouth area, then immediately wash it with normal water. So after using this cream, the results may vary according to the condition of the skin. Like for some person, it might take 2 to 3 days to cure, and for some it might take weeks or even months. So you must finish up this cream if you want to see better results from it, or otherwise if it treats your infection faster, then you can stop using it after it is fully cured. Also, if it doesn't show any improvement, you can ask the other advice from your physician. This cream also has some common side effects that you might see sometimes, like dryness of skin, redness or burning sensation. But these are only temporary side effects which will gradually go away after a few minutes, and for that it is not necessary to consult your doctor. Only consult your doctor if the symptoms get worse or over a long period of time. And then if you are a pregnant or a breastfeeding woman, in that case you must first seek the advice of your doctor and use it with proper cautions. So this Candid B cream is a combination of two medicines which plays an important role in treating skin infections which are caused by the fungus. Diseases like ringworm, vaginal infection and sweat rashes. So these are some examples of infections that are caused by the fungus. So in that case, you can definitely use this cream. This Candid B cream cures, kills and fights those fungus by stopping the growth on the body, and then cleanses and clears all those affected areas and finally relieve all those symptoms. So this is a tube with quantity of 20 gram and it will cost you for rupees 133. Store this cream in a cool, dry place area and keep away from sunlight. Also keep them out of reach of children and close the tube tightly after every use. So friends, that was it all about my review of this Candid B cream. It's a very good cream. If you want to buy it, then I will link them in the description box. You can buy them in discounts if you check it online. So I will link them everything in the description box. So do check it out guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. So thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.